Jibda d-deni tat-tazza tad-dinja 2022 fil-Qatar. Ġejna fit-toroq prinċipali ta' taslima biex nistaqsu lin-nies fuq din l-edizzjoni tat-tazza tad-dinja li ħessir fi żmien partikolari bejn Novembru u f'Diċembru f'pajjiż partikolari fil-Qatar. Min ħejrbaħa finalment? Tad-dinja ħassegwija?
Ej, xorta nsegwija mela. Għalla fuq it-tim tiegħi mhux ħejla, imma xorta nsegwija.
L-Italja t-tim tiegħek?
L-Italju.
Tazza tad-dinja bla Italja xi tfisser għalik?
Ma tantx sabiħa bl-Italjani, u ma kienx għandna ngħaddu. Għax it-tim palissa mhux tajjeb.
Min taħseb li ħejrbaħa?
Għalija jew l-Ingliżi jew l-Arġentina.
U l-fatt li ħassir fil-Qatar u bejn Novembru u Diċembru?
Dita Novembru li ma biex maħħa xejn. Ma kienx posta issa żgur di.
Oh, we will watch it, yeah, because we're footballing people. We will watch it, yes. We don't know who we're going to support yet.
But what about that it will be held in Qatar?
Bad time of the year, too warm, yeah. So we're not there, so it doesn't really matter, you know. So, same here. I agree with him.
Who will win it? Who will win it?
Germany, we think Germany, yes.
Why you fancy Germany as Irish?
We have a good relationship with Germany. They've bet us all the time. But they are good, they're strong. They're strong. You never rule out the Germans. Never rule out the Germans. Or the Spanish. Never rule them out either, you know.
England.
Do you think that you have a strong enough team to win the World Cup?
Yeah, we've got a good young team. He's put it all together. He's there, ready.
What about that it will be held in Qatar?
Maybe too hot for our players, but it's hot for all players. So we'll see how it goes.
Il-Brazil nħobbjin fil-World Cup. U bat l-Italjan it-tieni u l-Ingilterra ma l-ewwel il-Brazil.
Naħseb li ħerbħu għal-Brażil?
Ma naħsibx li naħsib.
Franza toħoda. Franza toħoda.
Għaliex?
Għax hekk għandi fini li Franza tkun il-World Cup. Għada Franza tkun.
Jien naħseb li l-Ġermanja.
Il-fatt li ħessir fil-Qatar?
Il-Qatar ix-xogħol u l-ħinijiet, eżempju, fil-għodu da, ma qabel kien tiġi ċertu ħin. U ġej il-miliet issa speċi dak li kusit gerrex naru. Mhux bħala qabel titan ma barra screen das jiexaw u tara. Tika waħda minnhom.
It's very unusual. I think coming from the UK, obviously it's going to interrupt our season halfway through, and I think it's going to be a lot of European countries have the similar issue. Other than that, I don't have any problems with Qatar actually hosting it at all.
Who will win it?
Who's going to win it? I think Brazil this time. They haven't won it for quite a long few years now, so Brazil is my bet.
Ora, io un italiano, guarderai la Coppa del Mondo?
No, io piangerò a vedere la Coppa del Mondo, senza Italia non è Coppa del Mondo.
Ma chi vincerà?
Io spero, perché sono italiano, tifo Argentina, perché ci sono molti italo-argentini e siamo nello stesso paese.
E il fatto che sarà in Qatar?
Qatar, ok, certo, novembre, poi diritti umani, il discorso è che si doveva lavorare un po' di più se volevano il mondiale con i diritti umani, però purtroppo il petrol-dollaro vince sempre.
Ma tax t-interessani d-darba xej.
Għalix?
Ħabba l-pajis ma t-interessanix. Bħala pajis ma l-qotnix.
Ma minn iżdom?
Mandiċ nazzjonali l-lum il-ġurnata. Ma pajizi bis jesisti.
I don't know. Brazil, I'd say.
May the best team win.
Of course.
Who do you side with?
Australia. Yeah.
Who will win it?
Probably Brazil. Yeah.
The fact that it's being held in Qatar?
Probably Saudi Arabia will do well. They'll, close to home, and they're used to the climate, so probably Saudi Arabia, dark horse.
The fact that it's being held in December?
Not what we're used to. It's in the middle of the season, so not the players might not be reacting like they usually do when it's in the off season. So yeah, just a bit different, something different, I guess.
Yes, of course.
Who do you side with?
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
The fact that it will be held in Qatar and Saudi Arabia is close, do you think you will do good?
I think yes, because the match in our place.
Who will win it?
World Cup? I think Argentina or Brazil.
Nara l-World Cup mela le, propja mal-Ingliżi, ma nafx kemm bħalissa hemm erba' timijiet kbar. L-Arġentina, l-Brażil, il-Ġermanja, Insomma, da il-ballun huwa tont u kollox jista' jiġri u veru.
U men taħseb li ħerbaħa finalment?
Issa dikka mhux li taħseb jott. Kif għatlek hemm il-Ġermanja, hemm il-Brażil, hemm l-Ingilterra forsi.
Il-fatt li se ssir fil-Qatar u bejn Novembru u Diċembru.
Fimni, għalina laqwa li jkunu ħini tajbin fuq television. Għax il-bqija kieku sa jsiru fil-ħodu kmieni jew sa jsiru bil-lejl ħafna. Dik problema, ma l-bqija l-daqshekk naħseb li mhix problema.
Yes, I will.
Who do you side with?
Who do I side with? Well, I like to see a good game. England or Wales. I'm from the UK, so I'll be watching them. Yes.
But who will win it?
I think maybe Brazil.